The classic padlock bracelet is a timeless piece that has been loved for generations, and it's still made today. I wear my mum's that my dad gave her in the 1980s, and I love the history it carries. These are two wonderful early examples from Gerard McCabe Antiques. This Victorian padlock bracelet was made in the 1840s. It features a Belcher link chain and a shield-shaped padlock, set to the front with a garnet, and the reverse has a glazed locket compartment. This bracelet is still in its original presentation case. It's a collector's piece. Also Victorian, this bracelet was made around 1880. Its standout feature are these unusual fancy links. Each one has been hand engraved with a beautiful flower design, and the decorative padlock just complements the chain beautifully. These romantic pieces symbolise unbreakable love and lasting commitment. We have a wide selection available. Go to gerardmccabeantiques.com.au.